that the operational challenges which everyone faced in the last half a year will disappear sooner or later in 2021. Today, I would like to give you more insights on the short-term market. How did the short-term market develop on different trades? Yeah. Therefore, what I've done is I've looked up the price development of 40 feet high cube containers for January 2021 versus January 2020. All the prices you do see is the market average, Xneta short term, and the price deviation is always versus 1 year ago. For example, just to explain this briefly, Far East Main to North Europe Main, I believe no one is surprised. The market average, what we see in our platform in January 2021 is at $8,277, and this is 284% higher compared to the same period last year. On this trade, you see we show THC none. That means on both sides, THC needs to be added. Second row, Far East Main, US East Coast Main, THC is included at destination. Over here, we have seen an increase of 68%. You know that there was some intervention by the Chinese government. Far East Main, US West Coast, plus 157. Yeah, 209, 215. So all the trades out of Far East, mainly out of China as well, yeah, they are compared to last year at a far higher level. Is this valid for each and every trade? It's not. When we check, for example, North Europe Main to US West Coast, although the West Coast is congested, at the moment this is not yet visible in any of the short-term prices. It's up by 4% only. US East Coast only up by 2%. Yeah, North Europe Main, Far East Main on the short term, price is up by 80% from a high level last year already to roughly 1,600. And this is gate and all-in, as you see, OTHC is included. And similar for Southeast Asia. Slightly different is the situation for South America, East Coast from Europe, where the short-term market is down by 12%. Yeah, and this kind of information is updated from our side daily, weekly, whenever we get new prices. And just to remind you, the short-term prices, these are the buying rates of our freight forwarder customers, what they agree with the carriers. Yeah, and the picture is quite different. Yeah, it depends really where the cargo is originating and how is the market developing in general. Yeah, for example, Southeast Asia Main is similar like China. I mean, no surprise at all because it's the same trade. Yeah, but we see as well Mediterranean, US West Coast, similar like North Europe Main. Yeah, slightly higher prices, but only 9%. Yep. But Mediterranean to Far East Main is also up by 100%. Yeah. And we see as well US West Coast, Australia, New Zealand, stable, slightly down. Yeah, but Far East Main to Australia and New Zealand up by 143%. Yeah, but what you do see as well with the graphs is the recent development, because each and every dot is representing 1 quarter. You can see, was this kind of increased rate level just recently, or did it happen far earlier? And you can also play around for sure with the data you just compared against January. Yeah, because if we do the same and say, look, I would like to understand what happened just in the last months, and then you do see Far East Main, North Europe Main from December 2020 to January 2021, the prices went up by 57%. Yeah, but Far East Main, US East Coast Main, that was on this kind of rate level way earlier, so it just keeps stable. Yeah, same with West Coast. This is the very detailed overview to see, look, what kind of data or what kind of prices will we expect for the near coming future, and how does this affect as well the pricing behavior. We will go more into detail in our webinar next week. Yeah, and therefore it would be great if you join our live monthly webinar on January 19th at 4 p.m. CET or 10 EST. Myself and Patrick, our CEO, will be monitoring and analyzing the major trades in detail, given all the volatility we have seen in the beginning of this year. This is free and open to all, and you will see more details on certain trades, how to use our data to analyze the current market circumstances. Therefore, I would be happy to see you next week. I wish you a great day and stay safe.